Welcome to Module 4 of the TikTok shop from setup to your first sale. And in this module, we are going to be talking about content. I mean, not just content that have views or go viral. I know that a lot of us constantly pray for our content to go viral, whether you are selling or not, because we want all the attention. And of course, that is what TikTok is all about, and that is how, to mitigate towards your first sale. However, how well positioned are you for your viral video to convert? It's funny how content work and how marketing happens online. You can have 200 views and make 10 sales. However, you can have 1 million views and still make 10 sales. So which one do you prefer? You want to just go viral, or you want to go viral with the intention of selling with your viral content? So we're going to be exploring what type of content can convert on TikTok shop. And for us to understand what type of content support your first sale, we need to understand how content on TikTok gets distributed. You need to know this. TikTok is a game of numbers. I mean, in terms of stock, if you have plenty stock, the more stock you have, the more the algorithm picks you. The more viewers come to your shop, the more likely you make your first sale. The more views you have, the more likely you get your first sales if your content is well positioned to convert. The more content you make, the more likely you are geared to making your first sale. So TikTok, in essence, is a game of numbers. You also need to know that TikTok rewards volume. Like I said, TikTok is a game of numbers. So when you make lots of content about just one product, you don't have to be entertaining in all your videos. All you need to do is just be clear about what this product is doing, how you can use this product, what are the unique features of this product. You just need to be clear, and how does this product meet the needs of people? That's all you need. What is this product able to do? The more videos you make about just one product, that is volume, the better TikTok is able to design, and they get data. It's like your contents are information given to TikTok to form a data about your shop, about what product you're talking about, and that is the data they use to distribute your content to your target audience. So from everything you have said in the video and the pictures, the graphics of the video, TikTok will collate all those data and be able to design who the product is for, and then they will push those content to people who are likely to buy that product. For instance, you're selling a ladies fashion wear, right, for winter, okay, in the winter period. You keep making videos about that product, that winter jacket. You can make as much as 60 to 100 videos just for one product. You are doing what? You are building data with TikTok, and TikTok is now able to push out and distribute that content to women. They are not showing it to men. You might have wondered why you, as a man, you have not been seeing content of women that much, or as a woman, you are not really seeing product of men, being pushed to your profile, because algorithm works with data. So that means the more the volume of content you make about a particular product, the more likely it gets the target audience, and the better it is for you to make your first sale. So I know that a lot of us, we get discouraged about views, but trust me, TikTok is very big, and your content is not, or your content are not being showed to the same people every time. Like, different people see your content each time you post them. You might still be within the 200 gates, 200 views, but trust me, those 200 people are not always the same set of people, right? So don't be discouraged by the number of views. Just keep doing you. Make as many as 100 videos for just one product. So I understand that a lot of us might think that the viewers will get angry and they will stop watching. And we get annoyed when we have to keep repeating ourselves. But that is what works on TikTok. You need to keep repeating yourself, even if it means sharing the same video. Sharing the same video every other day. If you see the big fish, the big sellers, that is what they do. They make videos about a product, say the same thing, or just talk about the product anyhow, but just make sure you don't have to be entertaining. Make sure you are clear about the message you are passing, how it can help viewers. Always have that in mind. What about what I am saying? How will it help? It's not just about entertaining people. It's about selling your market. And you have to be quick, because on TikTok Shop, attention span is very short. So don't drag it. Maximum of 30 seconds. Deliver your punchline. And you can do that for 100 videos and keep pushing them out consistently. Trust me to say that clarity converts more than creativity. You don't need endless ideas to make content, to make 30 seconds videos. 4 simple video formats have consistently worked on TikTok Shop. First is problem-solving content, where you are able to identify a problem. You have what problem your product is solving. First, talk about the problem, show the problem, right? And let them know you have the solution in 30 seconds maximum. Also, demonstration. Now, this time you don't even need to talk. All you need to do is just demonstrate what your product is able to do, how your product is able to solve a problem. You don't even need to talk. You can put music, a trending viral music, and just demonstrate what your product is used for. That is another content format. The third format is the before and after content, okay? You show before your product was used, what was the problem looking like, and after your product is used, what is the solution? What is it looking like now? So before and after format also always convert on TikTok. Lastly, clips from your live streaming. Clips from live streaming I've done massively for people in the past, whether you're selling digital product or you're selling physical product. Sharing clips from your live session can do the wonder that you are longing to have. It can give you your first sale. So don't underestimate your live replays. Sharing short clips from your live sessions, they can also propel you to your first sale. In essence, you can show the same product 100 times using these 4 formats. Just keep repeating the formats. Just keep repeating the formats and sharing your own content. Now, another form of content creation for your TikTok shop is live selling. Live selling changes everything on TikTok. Live selling is the goal. When people see real people, real person in real life, demonstrating a real product, showing them how a real product looks on them in real time, that just does the magic. Trust increases immediately. They trust you because they know you have this product, and hesitance drops. Those people who have been hesitating, maybe this person has a need for that product but has been procrastinating. Immediately they see you in real time displaying it, talking about it, and they love it, and there's a link to buy in the moment. Of course, hesitation drops, and that's why live selling keeps changing the game all the time. Live selling will give you your first sale very fast. Live selling doesn't just sell the product, it sells the moment. That is where impulse buying is massive. It is massive. People would like you for different reasons. They might like you because your stature is the same as theirs, or your complexion. They can like you for anything. And imagine someone seeing you and they see the product on you and they love it on you and they imagine it on themselves. Hesitation just drops. So live selling changes the game on TikTok. And for most beginners, the mistakes that they make is that they think that for you to go live, you need, lots of gadgets, you need a team. They continue to procrastinate and postpone it, and they get discouraged going live. You know what? You don't need too much to go live. All you need to go live is good lighting. You need your phone, and you need samples of your products. However, this is what I recommend: 2 people going live, and I will tell you why. So if you have a team of 2 people, one person is able to take control of the comment section and make sure that the camera is well focused on you. That way you're able to use your back camera to go live, and that gives your visuals better graphics. It's clearer, your video is clearer by the time you're using your back camera, and the other person is demonstrating and talking about the products, keeps repeating themselves, while the second person is taking care of the comment section, so that viewers are not feeling like they are not seen. The other person is encouraging people, answering questions. That way, number one, you share responsibility because everything is not on one person. Also, you are encouraged to stay on live for longer because you have a support, so you keep, they say 2 good heads are better than one. Iron sharpeneth iron. Iron sharpeneth iron, right? So you're able to stay live much longer when you are a team of 2 people. The secret is going live longer. It pays more than being polished on live. So you don't have to be polished, you don't have to be posh, you don't have to be perfect. All you just need to be clear about your product, show your product clearly, demonstrate it clearly, and also stay on live stream for very long. And it is at this point you should decide whether you want to sell on TikTok Shop or not, because for you to make sales on TikTok Shop, and if you're thinking about scaling eventually, you need to take it as a full-time job. I mean, you see the big sellers that make massive sales in their thousands, they go live every day, almost every day, and they don't just stay for 20 minutes, they stay for hours. That is because they have considered it a full-time job. If you can go to your own 12-hour shift with just one hour break, then they treat their own TikTok Shop as their own full-time job, staying live for 11 hours or more. That is where the conversion and the sales happen. You can decide now if TikTok selling is for you or not. Would you be able to? And that's why I recommend that you have 2 people. So if you have a friend that lives close by and you have, your schedule aligns, or you have your sister or your brother or your spouse with you, somebody that can team up with you to go live. It could be friends. Maybe you're both students on a post-study work visa. This is how to build real business. Okay, so when you're going live consistently for long and you have seen what works for you, just stick to what works for you. Repeat what works for you. Maybe when you talk about a particular product, this is when conversion happens. You should be very observant. So make sure that you repeat what works for you. When I go live, when I pin a particular product, it attracts a lot of viewers to me. That is when I see influx of viewers. So what I do is I leave that product pinned. Even when I'm talking, I spend more time talking about that one product, right? And I will just be mentioning the link numbers of the others. As a beginner who is just starting to live stream, don't get discouraged. Just keep doing you and be observant, see what works for you. And some might be asking, how many times should I post in a day, or how often should I come live? There is no limit to that. You can post as many times as possible. What you are doing is you are building data on TikTok, and trust me, that data is what TikTok uses to distribute your content. So the more data you have, the higher your chances of making your first sale. And as of going live, you can go live every day. Just be consistent. If you want to go live once in a week, just make sure you go live about the same time every other day that you choose to go live. And if you want to go every time, if you have the luxury of time to go every time, just remain consistent. And that's why, again, I advise that you have a team of 2 people. But that doesn't mean that going live alone does not convert. There are a lot of big sellers who go live just alone and they still make massive sales. Okay,